Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken cabbage salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 4 cups of shredded cabbage, and 1 cup of shredded carrots. Don't forget fresh cilantro and green onions for that vibrant touch. For the dressing, have on hand 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Now let's get everything prepped. If your chicken isn't already shredded, take a moment to do that now. Aim for nice, bite-sized pieces. Next, finely chop your cabbage, carrots, cilantro, and green onions. The smaller the pieces, the better they'll integrate into the salad. Finally, in a small bowl, whisk together your soy sauce, sesame oil, and rice vinegar for the dressing. It's time to bring it all together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your shredded chicken, the chopped cabbage, and the shredded carrots. Add in your fresh cilantro and green onions. Now, pour that delicious dressing you just made over all the ingredients. Gently toss everything together until every piece is beautifully coated. This ensures a burst of flavor in every bite. Your delicious chicken cabbage salad is ready to be served. For the freshest taste and best texture, I recommend enjoying it right away. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. It makes a fantastic quick lunch. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.